If you want your home electrical outlets to work safely and properly, you gotta make sure they are installed the right way, especially with that ground pin facing down. So, like when you're putting in an outlet, first thing is to double check the orientation of the ground pin because it matters for safety and function. Always turn off the power at the breaker before messing with any wiring. No one wants a shock, right? Use a voltage tester to confirm the power is off before you start. When installing, the ground pin should be facing down, which is the standard way most electricians do it. If your outlet is installed backward, meaning the ground pin is up, it can confuse people and might even cause grounding issues. Tighten your wires securely under the correct terminals. Black wire to brass, white wire to silver, and green or bare copper to ground. After wiring, gently push the outlet back into the box without forcing it, then screw it in snugly but not too tight. Finally, snap on the faceplate and turn the power back on to test everything with a plug-in tester or just a simple device. One of the biggest screw-ups with outlet installation is putting in the outlet backward with that ground pin up, which can mess with grounding and safety compliance. To fix this, just flip it around so the ground pin faces down before securing it in place. Another common mistake is mixing up the hot and neutral wires. Black goes to brass, white goes to silver. If you swap them, you could end up with a dangerous reverse polarity issue. If you find reversed wires, carefully switch them to their correct terminals after confirming power is off. A third problem is not tightening the screws enough on the wire terminals, leading to loose connections that can cause flickering or arcing. The fix? Make sure each wire is wrapped tightly under its screw and give those screws a good, firm turn without stripping them. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to install outlets right and keep things safe. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people looking for their skills and grow their business without all the hassle.